So today we are going to have discussion about what you find something like types of parameters. So we have the following types of parameters are there. In Python, we have the following types of parameters. What are the types here? Let me list out. So just here the types of what you find the parameters, types of parameters. Number one is what you find something like what you find positional parameters. Positional parameters. Number two is something like this, my dear friend. Second one is named parameters. Named parameters. Number three is default parameters. Number four is Varax parameters. Varax parameters. Number fifth one is keyword arguments parameter. Keyword argument parameter. So as a part of our training today, we are going to have this discussion about the types of parameters in functions. So the type of parameters in the function. The first one is the positional parameter. Second one is the named parameter. Third one is the default parameter. Fourth one is Varax parameter. Fifth one is keyword arguments parameter. So now let me start working with what you have friend just a positional parameters. So a lot of attention is required, my dear friend. Kindly put your attention. So directly, I'll drive into what your friend directly jumping into the Python IDLE. So just I want to write what your friend just a file, go to the new file. Yes. So I'm just defining the function. Defining the function is what your friend, my data is one function. This function required two arguments. One is what your friend just a name and the age arguments I want. This function required two arguments. That is what your friend name and age. Name and age. So just by the time of calling this function, we have to pass two arguments for this one. See, as I said, once you define the function, until unless you call the function, that is not going to be executed. So once you define the function, it is all our responsibility. We have to call it based on the need of application requirement. Based on the need of application requirements, then we'll be going in. So just what dear friend, I want to call the my data function. So by the time of calling this my data function, we have to pass two parameters. So here one point we need to understand, all formal parameters, just by default, I am saying that by default, the formal parameters are acts as what your friend acts as. Here acts as what your friend acts as. Okay, acts as the positional parameters. That is the matter thing. Positional parameters. So just now you can observe this. To call this function compulsory, we need to pass how many parameters, my dear friend? Two parameters we have to pass. Lovely. Time being, just I am passing the James and age is what your friend 34. But as I said you, the name James is taken into the variable name and 34 is taken into what your friend age. Okay, just James is taken into the variable name and 34 is taken into the age. So, but here name and age is what your friend formal parameters, where formal parameters are acting as what your friend positional parameters. But my dear friend, here in this context, James and what your friend 34 are called 34 called what your friend just called actual arguments. Actual arguments means the arguments which you are passing by the time of calling the function. The arguments which you are passing by the time of calling the function. But as I said you a moment back, these are formal, where formals are copies of what your friend actual arguments. Formals are copies of actual arguments. Let's have a look here, gentlemen. So just to know what is my requirement is, I just want to print the value name. Just I want write printer name is what your friend just a name is. I want write like name. So if you want, you can also print what your friend just age is. Yes, age is. I want to take the variable called what your friend age. This is a matter, ladies and gentlemen. So kindly observe this. When I run this particular program, this is absolutely works. So just this absolutely, after defining the code, just go to what your friend run menu and click on run module. This will be executing. Name is James and age is 34. So friend, just by the time of calling this function, you must pass what your friend two parameter. Otherwise, you will be getting what your friend error. you'll be getting an error. So now let me check this, what your friend, my data. I am passing what your friend, just a James, but I am not passing the age. Then immediately we'll be getting what your friend, an error saying that missing positional parameter. Then you will be getting an error, missing positional parameter age. So let me go to the run menu and click and run this one. You'll be getting an error. What is it? My data function missing one required positional argument is what your friend age. So just this is what your friend, my data function missing one required positional argument is what your friend age. So if you define any function with the formal parameters, then it is mandatory to pass exact same number of parameters. Otherwise, you will be getting what your friend, positional parameter. Every formal parameter will works like a positional parameter. Sir, you will be getting what your friend, you will be getting an error in this case. Sir, let me write, sir. Let me write once again. Let me write. I want to call the function, but I don't want to pass any arguments. Then you, ladies and gentlemen, again you will be getting what your friend, an error. So an error, what is that error? Just my data function missing two required positional argument, that is name and age. Go to the run menu and click on run module. You'll be getting what your friend, an error. Have you noticed that, my dear friend, my data function missing two required positional argument, that is name and age. See, that makes you understand very clear. Every formal parameter is acts as a what? Every formal parameter is acts as a positional parameter. If you define a function with the two arguments, at the time of calling the function, you must pass values to those two arguments. If you define a function with the three arguments, by the time of calling the function, you have to pass three arguments. Otherwise, you will be getting an error. This is what exact name. This is called as what your friend, positional parameters. Positional parameters. So just I hope you got the point about what is a positional parameter. Is it clear, right?